There is Aster Lady. Bye-bye! Woo! Yar!
Ito, sabay.
Bye-bye, Aster Lady. Thank you. Hi guys. So, ito na naman. Tapos na naman tayo na. Uwi na naman tayo. And it's the best feeling of a savior. Tapos ang contract na kasi everything is good, safe and sound. And going back home. So, ito yun. Best feeling, although ito, may silag dahil masyadong maalim. It takes about 4 to 6 hours going to the port from the bridge. Madaling araw. So, yan sa susukan natin. Yun yung anchorage, yung mga ilog. Let's see. I'll be back home in time. Hi guys, mga taga-Astir. So ito, papunta na naman kami ng beach kasi na-miss namin kayo agad dyan. Pero syempre hindi. Ayan, yan, kita nyo. Oh my God, papunta kami ng White Sand Beach here in Bera. Bera your dreams. Kasama ko si Bimbo. Bimbo your dreams. Kita nyo? What the fuck? Look at that. Look at that, mga taga-Astir. Diyan lang kayo. Walang shore leave, wala pagsampa. Makabaliw kayo dyan, men. Talagang idol ko talagang western. Okay, grabe. Nakaka-relax, men. Wow. Talaga naman. Sana all talaga, Mayor. Joma. Katawa na ka ng Bimbo.
Mga di kasama sa Powing. Kawawa naman.
Silek, good luck sa Pujara nyo. Doon na uwihan nyo. Well, mga August, September yun. Tama-tama, mga Burr months, no? Wow, look at that, man. Parang naka-private beach kami. Wow, grabe. This is life. Yung Astir, may life ba? Tignan nyo? Look at the long beach.
Proof of living.
Yeah. This is the proof of life. The evidence of SAR 2.0. Oh! Asan yung barko Astir? Ayun! Ay, bangka pala yun. Grabe. Yar! Paano ba yan, Yor? Sa mga oras na to, sigurado kami ni Bimbo. Di ba? Sigurado kami ni Bimbo na...
Nalulungkot ka na?
Hindi. Na nagluluto siya, tapos nag-i-slice naman si Cesar. Ngayon, si Joma naman, ako naghahanap ng tornilyo yun. Ha?
Papalit.
Ang dami sigurong utos ni Segundo makanista sa kanya. No, Jo? Si Lek! Lek!
Gising ka na dyan.
Thank you sa $10 mo. May naibayad ako kanina. Kung hindi, yari. Wow! Look at that! This is life!
Ayun, may raw wings.
Huh?
Raw wings.
Hi guys. I'm showing you right now a fossil of a sunken vessel. See there? You can see it's skeletal construction right there. It is ran aground or probably bombed. You can see the latitudinals and the longitudinals. See? Yeah, it's a vessel. See there? It is a vessel. And another one is there. You see, it has some of its engine. It's really nice. Historical. Hi there. This is Imadis Karting Bjorn once again. And I'm here at Makuti. And this is the Makuti lighthouse. See? And there are a lot of rocks. Okay, be careful, probably there's a snake. This is Makuti Lighthouse. Ayan guys, tapos na kami mag-tour. Grabe,
May tae.
nakakapagod maglakad. Oh my god, parang ka nasa Bora. Look at that. See? I'm in Bora, in Bera. Shout out to all my friends out there in Astor Lady. I'm in Bora, in Bera.
Cooking right now.
Huh? Who is presently cooking right now? Slicing some food. And two in the engine room. Probably doing some technical works. Lakas magkasar ni Bie, oh. Grabe, oh. Ayan. Grabe, lahi na nilakad namin, men. Parang 500 meters lang. Asa na kaya si Astir? Parang hindi na matanaw si Astir, ah. Tignan mo, oh. Wala, oh. Andun yun, eh.
Astir.
Oo.
Wala si Astir.
Wala na si Astir. Grabe, oh. Ano sabi mo, B? Sana kasama natin yung dalawa?
Oh, sana nakasama yung dalawa eh.
Sana nakasama yung dalawa kung medyo matapang-tapang lang ng konti si Joma, ha?
Sana full check lahat.
Sana full jack lahat. Jo, sana pinadala mo na daw yung letter mo para at least natuloy. Iyak tuloy kayo ngayon. Grabe. Alam mo ba yung itsura ni Cesar kagabi? Alam mo, kahit di naman siya pauwi, pero nalulungkot eh. Lalo na nung si Mayor, hindi naman siya sa deck, pero nandun, grabe yun. Hinatid pa talaga tayo. Oh. Grabe, naawa ko sa iyo, Yor. Huwag kang magala, Yor. Pupuntahan kita sa Bera. Ay, sa Bera. Sa Bora. Bora sa Bera. Hi guys. So ayan. Papunta na kami dito sa Bera Airport. Okay. Kita niyo naman. Mukha na naman tayong artista. Yung alipin ng salapi ay mukha na namang artista at hindi na alipin. Okay. So papasok na tayo ng Bera International Airport. And this is what it look like. Ayun yung kasama ko. Si Bimbo the Great. You know. Shout out there to our Astor Lady friends, namely Joma, yours Kid Vincent, si Lucky, and si Cesar. Hi guys. Tapos na namin sa immigration guys. So ito na naman kami. Waiting kami. Priority boarding, business class. Okay? Look at that. Business class kami guys. B, say hi to Asters.
Hello, Aster. Sana all.
Sana all business class.
Napag-bora pa kami sa Vera.
At Bora sa Vera. Ayan guys. Naka-aircon kami guys. Walang ganong tao guys. Halos kami lang guys. Ayan, pakita ko ulit. Business class. Yan o. Hi guys, so here we are. Boarding na tayo. Okay. Here at Vera International Airport. Vera, your dreams. Alright, there you go. It's Ethiopian Airlines. Init, pero parang hindi ko ramdam yung init. Grabe.
Uwi na eh.
Sana mainitan din sila Mayor, tsaka ni Joma,
Hello, Aster.
tsaka ni Leke, at tsaka ni Cesar.
Light na kami.
Hello, Astir.
Light.
Best regards to all our friends out there. Sabero si Mayor, no? Alam mo yun?
Nagana na siya.
Nagtatampo. Alam mo yung kagabi, parang gusto niya na rin bumaba ng pilot ladder. At si Cesar, pilingero din to si Cesar, alam mo bakit? Tangin namin. Nakasasan pala ilang buwan pa lang. Gusto na rin sumama. Sabi ko, grabe ka naman sa huwag kang ganyan. Uy, nalaglag. Meron tuloy silang notice na Apatu. Hi there, Apatu guys. Yan. Look at their airstrip. Yan, wow. Siyempre sa cockpit area, pang VIP yan, pang business class yan, men, sa atin, di ba?
Yes.
Hindi talaga pag insured.
Economy.
Hindi, business class tayo, di ba? Ano tayo? Hi guys. Saan na tayo guys? Ayan guys. Nasa airport na, sa aeroplano na kami guys. Look at that. See. Kaya na guys. Mag-U-turn na kami guys. And then we're ready to take off afterwards. All the wings of love up and above, na na, the only way, na na. Adidas na kami. Ay, mali pala. Aba. This. Ayan, guys. Aba. This. Say hi. Aba. This. Ay, hindi pala. Hi guys, kilaan nyo kung nasaan ako ngayon. Dito ako ngayon sa Adidas. Addis Ababa. Ayan o, Addis Ababa yan. Akala nyo ha. Addis Ababa. O, diba? Malinaw ha. O, see? Addis Ababa. So, ayan guys. Recording na naman kami dito sa Adidas. Okay. And we're bound for Kuala Lumpur this time. And another stopover in Singapore, and finally it will be in Manila. My goodness. So tiresome. Laban lang. Alipin na sa lapi. Peace.
እንድትጠቀሙ እናደርጋለን። ከላይ የሚገኙት የሻንጣ ማስቀመጫዎች ሲከፈቱ ዕቃ እንዳይገባችሁ እንድትጠነቀቁ እያሳሰብን ከአውሮፕላን ከመውረዳችሁ በፊት ምንም ዕቃ አለመንሳታችሁን እንድታረጋግጡ እናስታውሳችሁ እንወዳለን። አውሮፕላኑን ለመውረድ እርዳታ የሚሹ መንገደኞቻችን ሌሎች መንገደኞች ወርደው እስኪጨርሱ ድረስ እንደተቀመጣችሁ እንድትቆዩ እየጠየቅን የበረራ አስተናጋጆቹ መጥተው እንደሚረዷችሁ እናስታውቃለን። ጉዟችሁን በሌላ በረራ የሚቀጥሉ መንገደኞቻችን ተጨማሪ መረጃ ወይም እርዳታ ካስፈለጋችሁ በጣቢያው የሚገኙትን የኢትዮጵያ አየር መንገድ ሰራተኞች እንድታነጋግሩ እንጠይቃለን። ይህ የበረራ መስመር ቁጥር ET638 የመጨረሻ መድረሻችሁ።
Hi guys. So, ito, andito na kami sa Kuala Lumpur International Airport. And this is the little jewel of Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. We're taking some rooms and let's see what we have and what we can buy. Maybe we'll buy a couple of cigars and chocolates or whatever souvenir we can buy. Let's see. There you go, guys. This is our last flight, last connecting flight, going back home to the Philippines. So we're done shopping already, and we're gonna hear Mabuhay later on. Yeah, and we're going to find the gate C12. We're gonna roam around the bush and find. There you go, going C12. Yeah. No, that's Malaysian Airlines. We will be boarding Philippine Airlines.
Emirates.
Yeah. But I think it's electronic. Busog ako, grabe. Duty free products without duty means without tax, but it's expensive. There, see 11 to 17. Yeah. Diptyque. Oh, Diptyque. Jo Malone, Lilabo.
Joma.
Diptyque.
Joma lang.
Charles and Kit. Mac. Alright. Oh, this is the same place that we have came earlier.
In your seatbelt and wrap your arms around your infant's waist. Your life vests are found under your seats or in the middle of your armrest. On water landing, remove sharp objects from your body. Slip vest over your head. Take tape around your waist. Push and to buckle. Pull waist tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull down sharply the inflation cords at the lower end. If life vest fails to inflate, blow into mouth tube. Push fin inwards to release air. Do not inflate your life vest inside the aircraft. The lamp will automatically activate when the battery is immersed in water. In the unlikely event that emergency oxygen is required, oxygen masks will drop from above you. Remove your face coverings. Immediately grab the mask and pull firmly towards you. Put over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band for a snug fit and breathe normally. Keep mask on until you are advised to remove it. If a child or other passengers near you need assistance, put your mask on first before assisting them. emergency exits are clearly marked throughout the cabin. Locate the exits nearest you. These exits may be behind you. In case of power loss or smoke in the cabin, emergency lights and path markings will lead you to these exits during an evacuation. For further information, please study the safety card found in the seat pocket in front of you. In preparation for takeoff, ensure your seat belts are securely fastened.
Minus na ito.
So, 1.5
ito, pag total ito, itong tatlo total.
Ito na isa lang po na natin kasi pare-parehas na.
Dahil sa barko, dapat madiskarte ka.